If you cannot keep your hand for longer here, you always go down or you do something else with the hand. One of the strategies that I like to use, because I learned with my coach, was to prepare here, and then while you prepare, you kind of rotate your hand, okay? Because when you are rotating and thinking about this, you always keep the hand on this side. That's why when I was a kid, I never understood why I need to do these things with the hands. Now as a coach, I have another perspective and I can understand the reason why I was doing. So basically, while you prepare, you do this, and then here you can play, or you can do this, rotate here a little bit, for example. One, you can rotate here, think about the hand, and then you play, okay? And while you are thinking about the hand, doesn't matter what you do, here or this or this, you always focusing on the hand, and while you're thinking, you always keep the hand there, and you never go down. So this is one really important tip for you to help you on your forehand. This alone is gonna help you a lot. You're gonna be more balanced, more stable, and you're gonna see a huge difference on your forehand. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and see you in the next video.